Hey guys, welcome to my new video. Today we are going to discuss about what is RAM and ROM. Although RAM and ROM both are the internal memories of the computer, but they are different from each other in terms of their uses, storage capacity, physical size and more. So first let's see both the topic individually. What is RAM? RAM is called as random access memory. RAM was invented in year 1968 by Robert Danyard. It is an internal memory of the CPU in the form of a hardware device located on the motherboard of a computer. It is designed to store data, programs, and result of a computer when a computer is switched on. It is the read and write memory of a computer, as we can write information to it as well as read from it. Furthermore, RAM is a volatile memory as it can't store data and instructions permanently. For example, जब हम कंप्यूटर को ऑन करते हैं तो जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शन हार्ड डिस्क को मिलता है वो रैम में स्टोर होता है. इंस्ट्रक्शन जैसे कि ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम और कुछ बेसिक प्रोग्राम्स जो कंप्यूटर को स्टार्टअप करने के लिए यूज होते हैं, और सीपीयू ये सारे इंस्ट्रक्शंस को लेके जो भी टास्क हम देते हैं वो परफॉर्म करता है और ये डेटा को कंप्यूटर बनाए रखता है जब तक हम उसे शट डाउन नहीं करते, और जैसे ही हम इसे शट डाउन करते हैं हम अपना सारा डेटा खो देते हैं. तो reason for transferring the data to RAM is that it is easy and fast to read data from RAM as compared to reading it from the hard drive. And now let's see about ROM. What is ROM? ROM stands for read only memory. The ROM was invented in the year 1980s. It is a non-volatile memory that stores information permanently even when the power is turned off. Like RAM, it is also primary memory of a computer. The programs and data stored in it can be read but cannot be written on it. हालांकि कुछ रोम्स ऐसे आते हैं जिसका स्टोर डेटा हम मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वीडियो गेम कंसोल्स द स्टोर डेटा परमानेंटली ऑन पर्सनल कंप्यूटर्स और अदर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस जैसे कि स्मार्टफोन्स, टैबलेट्स, टीवी, AC and etc. So let's see some of the key differences between RAM and ROM. It is a temporary memory of the computer. It is the permanent memory of the computer. It is a read-write memory. The data can be written and read. It is a read-only memory. The data can only be read. It is a volatile memory as it temporarily stores the files as long as the computer is on and working. It is a non-volatile memory. It is a non-volatile memory as it permanently stores the files even when the power is turned off, such as game cartridge and BIOS program stored in the memory of a computer, etc. The storage capacity ranges from 1 to 256 GB. Its storage capacity ranges from 4 to 8 MB. It is large in size than ROM. It comes in two different sizes for use in desktop computers and laptops. A desktop RAM is around 5.5 inches in length and 1 inch in width, whereas the laptop RAM is around half the length of desktop RAM. It ranges from less than an inch in length to multiple inches in length and width based on their use. It has less capacity than RAM. The data stored in RAM can be retrieved and altered. We can only read the stored data in ROM. It cannot be altered. It is faster than ROM as it is a high-speed memory. It is slower than the RAM. The data stored in RAM is used by the CPU in real time to run the computer. The data stored in ROM is used by CPU only when it is transferred to RAM. It temporarily stores the files and data that CPU needs to process the current instructions or work. It stores the BIOS program on the motherboard of a computer which is needed to bootstrap the computer. Examples: it is used as CPU cache, primary memory in a computer. Examples: it is used as firmware by microcontrollers. The store data is easy to access. The store data is not easy to access as it is in ROM. It is costlier than ROM. It is cheaper than RAM. Types: there are two types of RAM: DRAM, Dynamic Random Access Memory. Second one, SRAM, Static Random Access Memory. There are four types of ROM. First is PROM, Programmable Read Only Memory. Second, EPROM, Erasable Programmable Read Only Memory. Third is EEPROM, Electrically Erasable Programmable ROM. And fourth is Mask ROM. Thank you for watching the video. Please do hit the like button and please do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.